Which browsing software they have used? It is Mozilla Firefox. Okay, if you want to view your HTML document, what you will use? Mozilla Firefox. I have told you in the last class also. Again, I'll just give a quick revision. We have written the HTML, where we browse, where we look, where do we write an HTML code? Where? Which text editor we are using? Tell. Which text editor we use? Is the screen available, everyone?
Ma'am, not.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
So what is this text editor which is used to write an HTML code or to view an HTML? Not view, just write an HTML. जिस पे आप HTML का कोड लिखते हो, which text editor was it? Anyone? Which text editor was it?
I'm Notepad.
Notepad. Very good. Just clap for her. You have revised and then come. Very good. Notepad. This I have opened the notepad and here you write the code. Okay. In the last lecture, I have told you how we have written this code. Okay. So how to view an HTML document? This you have written. Now you have to view it. First you will what? You'll go to file. You have to save it. Then save as. And how you will save? With what extension? किस नाम से आप सेव करोगे? You can write anything. First, or you can give your name also. With which extension? Ayush 2086. Which extension do we use to write this HTML code? What extension should I give? कैसे मैं सेव करती हूँ? How do I save it?
Ma'am, click on the save button.
Save button तो बाद में click होगा ना? What name should I give here? File name. I've written first, and with what extension should I save? जैसे यहाँ पे लिखा है ना?
Ma'am, HTML. Ma'am,
HTML. Anyone?
Ma'am, .html.
It is .html. Very good. HTML dot. If you don't write dot, it will not be saved. Okay. Where you will save? You can save anywhere. I am saving in the desktop. Can you see here? I have saved it. Where my document of HTML will be saved? कहाँ पर save होगा ये पूरा जो मैंने कोड लिखा है? Where will it be saved? कहाँ पे जाके मैंने सेव किया?
Desktop.
Desktop, right? So now where we will go to view our code? To the desktop where we have written. See, can you see here first?
Yes, ma'am.
So what I will do here, I will right click here. Now here you are getting the option open with. So whatever browsing software you can use to view your HTML code, they have used which one? In your book, page number 42, which one browsing software they have used?
Ma'am, Dialogibooks.
It is Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox. I am opening with Google.
Mozilla Firefox.
So when I clicked on Google Chrome, what I will be able to see? क्या दिखेगा मुझे? Which web page?
Ma'am, home page.
Home page? Is it home page? It is taking some time for browsing. I have opened with Google Chrome. What is Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox? See,
browser.
what is displayed here?
Browser.
What is displayed here? Products. This is a demo content. Remember, I have written this in my code. Just look here. मैंने क्या display करवाना था? ये चीज. Products हेडिंग क्या होनी चाहिए थी? व्हाट इज द हेडिंग? प्रोडक्ट्स. एंड इन विच कलर इट शुड बी? रेड कलर. एंड इफ आई चेंज द कलर हियर, से आई गिव ग्रीन कलर, ग्रीन मैंने यहाँ पे कर दिया टाइप. ठीक है. सो अगेन आई हैव टू सेव. ओके, आई हैव क्लिक्ड इन सेव. It will be saved there. Now again I have to open it. Open with, I have opened Google. Which color? Color changed. Which line changed? From red
Color.
to green. कौन सी line change होगी red से green?
That color.
Which line I'm asking?
Color.
Just read the line from here if you can see the screen. What is this? This is demo content. ये जो लाइन है पहले क्या थी? This line was red. Why red? Red क्यों थी? देखो दिख रहा है ना, पहले red थी. Because earlier I have typed
Yes,
here red. Code में मैंने red लिखा था. But now I have typed here green. So that's why my here I have again saved it and the text got changed to green color. This is how you view your HTML document. Clear everyone? Anyone, any doubt in any type of question? I'm again asking last. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So everyone know how to create an HTML document, how to save an HTML document, what are the structures used, and how to view an HTML document. Clear? So our next chapter is creating web page using HTML. Creating web page using HTML. Page number 45. Creating web page using HTML. Yamini beta, start reading.
Yes, ma'am. Creating web page using HTML introduction. You know how
First
to
read
create
beta
a new
what all we
HTML
learn in this
document.
chapter.
Learner's
Good.
outcome. In this chapter, you will be able to learn first, create web page using HTML. Second, draw horizontal rules and add color to the lines. Third, give marquee effects. Fourth, change background color. Fifth, set background images. Sixth, create tables. 7. Add headers, paragraphs, and line brackets. 8. Change font, font size, font color, and font style. 9. Add comments in HTML document. 10. Insert images. 11. Create ordered and unordered list. 12. Insert hyperlinks.
Okay, so what we are going to learn in this chapter, creating web page using HTML. In the previous chapter, chapter number 4, we have studied what is an HTML. What do we create using HTML? We create web pages, we create documents, and in this chapter, we'll study how to create the document or a web page. So creating web page using HTML, draw horizontal rules and add color to the lines. Okay, color I have shown here also, how you change the color and how you'll draw the lines. Give marquee effects, how you will give the effects. Okay, how you can make A look bigger, how you can make A look smaller. Then change the background color. जो ये background white दिख रहा है ना यहाँ पे, look here everyone. How you can change the color from this white color, you can make anything, red, blue, green, whatever color you want to give. Then set background images, any image if you want to keep, that also you can keep in a background. So we'll study these one by one in the coming topics. Then create tables, add headers, paragraphs, change font size, color, add comments in HTML documents. Comments means, what do you mean by a comment? Anyone? Do you know what is a comment? If you have here I have written the code, right? Green. So the third person viewing this code will not be able to know what is this green. तो आप क्या लिख दोगे? इसके आगे आप कुछ ऐड कर देते हो that this is the line color. राइट, ताकि जो पर्सन देख रहा है he or she is able to recognize कि ये green क्या है. That is called a comment. We'll study them. Inserting images, create ordered and unordered list, insert hyperlinks. Yes, Mehak, start reading.
Yes, ma'am. Introduction. You know how to create a new HTML document. Save and view it in a web browser. HTML is the language of web page designing. It is very simple yet a powerful tool. It does not need any compilation process. The web browsers act as the compiler for the HTML documents. Let us learn some other things about HTML. Adding headers. Headers are like the chapter headings of a book. You can use 6 different headers in your web page, but you may not use more than 3 at a time. Header tag is written as n where n is a number from 1 to 6, for example, h1. To add headers in a web page, follow the given steps. First, tap the tag h1 after the body tag, for example, h1. Second, type the contents of the header, for example, my world. Type the closing tag h1, for example, h1.
Okay, stop. Introduction. And what is here? You know how to create a new HTML document. सबको पता लगा कैसे हमने create किया in the previous chapter. This we have written the code. इस code से हमने क्या किया? We have created an HTML document. Okay. Then we have saved it. When we have gone to file, we get a save as option. हमने वहां जाके save कर दिया. We have given a file name with the extension .html. Then we have saved where? In the desktop. And after that, we have gone to the desktop and we have opened Google Chrome and we have viewed our, what we have viewed? We have viewed our output, that is product. Got it? So it is in the web browser. HTML is a language of web page designing. HTML is a language of web page designing. Underline this line. Quickly, everyone underline the line. Page number 45. HTML is the language of web page designing. HTML is the language of web page designing. It is very simple yet a powerful tool. It does not need any compilation process. The web browsers act as the compiler for the HTML document. क्या मतलब हुआ इसका कि जो हमने ये कोड लिखा है इसको रन करवाने के लिए और to show its output we don't require anything else. We don't require a separate software to run it. We just need to save it and we need a Google Chrome where we can show its output. Got it? A web browser we have used to show the output of this code. Now, other things about HTML are, can you look the structure in the book, structure of an HTML document? What all things are there in the structure? Quickly revise. In the previous chapter, we have studied. Structure of an HTML document consists of what all things?
Websites and web page.
No. Structure I'm asking. The process. This is the structure. पहले क्या आता है? Just go browse the pages back. Pages करो scroll back. Just have a look. Quickly. Abhinav on your camera. Shubhangi. No one will leave the class. I'll take the attendance at the end. Okay. Yes, Ananya, 2833. Tell me what all structures are there in the HTML.
Ma'am,
Bada hai
first
na?
HTML.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first HTML tag, second one title tag, then head, and then body.
So whatever you open, you have to close also. So which one you will close first?
First HTML open and then close.
सबसे पहले HTML को close करेंगे. Anyone else? Ayush, roll number 19. Tell me, which one you will close first? Which structure or tag you will close first?
Ma'am,
Yes, be loud. There is some disturbance in the network, I suppose. Let me tell you. Yes, Yamini, you raised your hand. Answer, beta.
Now the tag that is opened last, that will be closed first.
Which one here? Just have a look in the
Ma'am,
yellow
body.
box.
ma'am,
येलो बॉक्स में देखो पेज 45 कौन सा पहले क्लोज किया है देन टेल मी स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एन एचटीएमएल डॉक्यूमेंट
ma'am, head.
हेड
Ma'am,
नो
ma'am, title.
title okay title they have closed first then head then body got it so this is the process how we follow now adding headers कैसे ऐड करने हैं जहां पे हमने ये हेडिंग दी थी ना प्रोडक्ट this h1 products now how do we use headers are like the chapter heading of a book I have earlier also told you headers are like the headings of a chapter like this chapter we are studying chapter number 5 what is the heading of this chapter anyone can tell me
Creating web page using HTML.
creating web page using HTML. That's why it is written in bold. Bold में लिखा है. अगर simple लिखा होता, it won't give an effect. आपको attractive नहीं लगता, right? So creating web page using HTML. By this you can make just look at it. You can be able to identify this is the heading of the chapter. You can use 6 different headers in your web pages underline. How many? 6 different headers you can use. But you may not use more than 3 at a time. एक time पे आप 3 ही use कर सकते हो headings. 3 से ज़्यादा headers use नहीं कर सकते हो. Header tag is written as underline how you write a header tag. Open angle bracket HN close angle bracket and open angle bracket backslash HN close angle bracket. Everyone know what we call these brackets as?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Where n is the number from 1 to 6. Underline what where n is a number. N क्या represent कर रहा है? N is showing the number between the range 1 to 6. Example H1. And 1 क्या है? Whose value is 1 here? H1. Yes, Ayush, where you are going? 2086. Without permission, no one will stand. Don't you know? This is a class going on. 2086. Yes, see where H1. See here in the screen H1. So this one is whose value is this one? Tell me. 1 किसकी वैल्यू है यहाँ पे?
ma'am, N.
N, right? So N की वैल्यू किस किस के बीच में हो सकती है? From 1 to 6. So you can give 3 headers one at a time. यहाँ पे मैंने H1 लिखा है, right? First heading, then you can again give in the body second heading, ऐसे. To add headers in your web pages, what are the steps? Type the tag HN after the body tag. क्या करोगे आप? You'll type HN. इसके बाद देखो यहाँ पे मैंने किसके बाद टाइप किया है H1. Just look here. After the body के अंदर. Okay, H1. Type the contents of the heading. अब आपने जो heading में display करवाना है, you can write here creating web pages. आप अपने chapter number 5 का नाम दे सकते हो. Creating web pages, web page using HTML. ये मैंने heading दे दी, ठीक है? Then after giving the heading, what you will do? Type the closing tag. Closing tag आपने क्या कर दिया? Type कर दिया. Closing tag. दिख रहा है ये? Which tag is this?
closing tag.
Closing tag.
Closing tag.
Closing tab.
And this one, which tag is this?
Opening tag.
मैम open tag.
Opening tag. Okay. So ये जो heading B है, ये मैंने display करवानी है अपनी. Got it? Type the closing tag, for example, backslash hash h1. अब if anyone can tell me why they have written h1 in capital, is there any कोई फर्क पड़ता है अगर मैं कैपिटल में लिखूं, स्मॉल में लिखूं h या कोई भी? Is HTML case sensitive or insensitive? आता है true or false में. When you'll go to your higher classes, it comes. Is the HTML case sensitive or insensitive? Case sensitive means अगर अपर केस में लिखने को बोला है, you will write in upper case only. That is case sensitive. You cannot write in lower case. But case insensitive means you can write in any case. It doesn't matter. So here HTML is case insensitive. इसलिए अगर मैं बड़े लेटर में लिखूं, छोटे में लिखूं या मिक्स लिखूं, it doesn't make any difference. Is that clear? कृतिक, क्लियर है?
Yes, ma'am.
कि मैंने यहाँ पे छोटा लिखा
Yes,
है
ma'am.
तो बड़ा लिखा है. Okay, it doesn't make any difference in HTML. So now next page 46. See, they have also written the program in Notepad. Have a look in your book. They have typed क्या इन्होंने शो करना है? My world. और मैंने क्या लिखा है? What I want to show in my heading, creating web page using HTML. ये मैंने डिस्प्ले करवाना है. You can display any heading. Then this is my paragraph के अंदर क्या शो करवा रहा है इन्होंने? This is my first web page. Okay, this you can write here also after whatever you want to display. Hello. Which sign is it after hello? This is my कौन सा sign है? Interrogation sign. First web page. Okay, then they have closed the body, then they have closed the HTML. This is the structure all. Now अब क्या करेंगे? हम इसको सेव करेंगे. Again, मैंने पहले ही सेव किया. Again I'll click on save. जो मैं अभी चेंज कर रही हूँ वो ऑटोमेटिकली मेरा पहले वाले प्रोग्राम में चेंज हो जाएगा. राइट क्लिक, गो टू ओपन विद ब्राउजिंग सॉफ्टवेयर. दिख रहा है क्या हेडिंग आ गई मेरी? व्हाट इज द हेडिंग जो मैंने H1 के अंदर लिखा था? Creating web page using HTML. This is my heading and inside the heading मैंने लिखा था hello, this is my first web page. Okay, you can change. Now second is adding paragraphs. So this you can practice also. I have told you where you can write, where you can practice. Next is adding paragraphs. So Shubhangi, start reading. How do you
Yes,
add a
ma'am.
paragraph?
Adding paragraph in HTML. To add paragraph,
Read.
Ma'am, can I read?
Ma'am, can I read? Akshat,
Ma'am, can I read?
Akshat, read. Ananya, sit at one place, don't move. Akshat, read.
Adding paragraphs, ma'am. In HTML, to add paragraphs, p tag is used. To add a paragraph in your web page, to the following. Number 1, type the tab p. Number 2, type the context of the graph. Number 3, type the closing tab p. Adding link breaks in HTML to
Okay,
begin
wait.
a new.
So here adding paragraphs. So अब आपको क्या करना है? पैराग्राफ ऐड करना है. How you will do that? अगर आपको हेडिंग ऐड करनी थी, which tag we were using हेडिंग के लिए?
Title.
No, which tag I am asking? Tag here लिखा है, देखो पहली लाइन पढ़ो. Previous क्या है? When we have added tag, page number 45. फर्स्ट स्टेप, एडिंग हेडर्स। जब हमने हेडिंग ऐड की तो हमने कौन सा टैग यूज किया? HN। HN क्या है? टैग है किसका? हेडिंग का। ओके, 1 2 3 कौन सी भी हेडिंग हो सकती है, वेयर 1 2 3 आर द वैल्यूज ऑफ N। कहां तक आ जाती है? 1 to 6। अब यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट इज एडिंग पैराग्राफ्स। विच टैग वी विल यूज टू एड अ पैराग्राफ? P tag। विच टैग?
P tag.
P tag। In HTML to add paragraph, P tag is used। So आपको क्वेश्चन में पूछा जा सकता है P tag is used to what? Add a paragraph। Got it? To add a paragraph in a web page, what all steps are there? Type the tag P। P टाइप करना है आपने यहाँ पे where notepad में, कहाँ पर? After the heading। यहाँ पे एंटर मारा, P, I have typed P, टाइप कर दिया। Then inside the paragraph you can display anything, जो भी आपको डिस्प्ले करवाना है। My name is Akshita। Okay, whatever you can type, comma, she studied in 4th class, whatever you want to type। Okay, after the paragraph पता है ना, it consists of different sentences। एक लाइन में नहीं खत्म होता है पैराग्राफ। ओके, so you can write a paragraph same in a similar way as you write a essay in English। After that you will close this which tag? P tag को आपने क्या कर देना है? क्लोज कर देना। स्लैश बैकस्लैश एंड क्लोजिंग टैग। ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे मैंने ये लाइन करवा दी पैराग्राफ में डिस्प्ले। अगेन व्हाट आई विल डू, क्या करूंगी मैं? इसको सेव कर दूंगी। आई विल नॉट गो टू सेव एज। अगर सेव एज में करूंगी तो नई लोकेशन आई हैव टू गिव अ न्यू लोकेशन। मैंने ऑलरेडी कहाँ पे सेव किया है ये स्टार्टिंग में? डेस्कटॉप पे। मैं उसी में चेंजेस कर दूंगी। सो आई विल गो टू सेव। जैसे मैंने सेव पे क्लिक किया, कहाँ पे सेव हो गया? जो मेरा ओरिजिनल वाला था यहाँ पे, हियर दिस फर्स्ट। दिख रहा है सबको ये? राइट क्लिक, ओपन गूगल क्रोम, आ गया पैराग्राफ। My name is Akshita, she studies in 4th class। This is my paragraph। हेडिंग को मैंने चेंज नहीं किया, I have just changed I have given a new paragraph। Got it? So learn how to add a paragraph